We have Hugo here, one of the installers at ClimatePro. He's working on this window, and he's prepping it, he's cleaning it really well. He's using a non-scratching pad there to clean it, and now he's coming behind with a squeegee to squeegee off the dirty water and get that window really clean. And now as we come on the inside and we watch Hugo install the piece of film, here he's installing the 3M Prestige 70 on the exterior. And I really like this video because we get to watch Hugo work on the installation here, but also if we look to the right of Hugo, those windows are already done. Those have the film installed. And then of course we have him working here in the middle, installing, and on the left, there's no film installed yet. So you can really kind of see the difference with the film and without. And with this 3M Prestige 70 exterior, it's a nice film because it's not reflective and it's not dark at all. In fact, it's almost hard to even notice that it's installed. So as we watch Hugo here, as he trims out the window, trims the film to fit perfectly to each window, he'll work on that, and then he'll come there behind and squeegee out all the water and clean up the window so it's nicely installed.